No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close.
This is a flashlight that I got from my swimming class. So I'm going to put this away and get to the stuff that we need. Here's the stuff that we need. So this is how a flashlight works. So when this is pushed, then it starts to glow. So when this is put on here, and it's like that. So when it's pushed here, it starts to glow. So now when it's off to down here, then it stops glowing. So now we're going to put it back together. So go get the drum, put it here. Get this, put it on. And put this on. There. Bruh. Let us take this off. There. Now we put this on right there. Oh, it starts to go. Oh, cow. Wait, just give me some time here. There. So now we get this. Put this on. Get to this. And put it on. I will put that on last. Bro, why does everything keep falling off? There. So now we'll go place it on. And then we place this on. And now the flashlight is made.